Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to prevent microphone access on your XPC, specifically for the Twitter website with the new update. So let's dive right in. The first step is to open your Twitter account on your XPC. Once you're logged in, navigate to the web address and click on View Site Information next to it. This will take you to the site settings, where you can make changes to your permissions. Next, you'll want to open the Site Settings tab. Here, you'll find a list of permissions that the website has access to. Look for the microphone option and click on it. Now, under Permissions, you'll see an option to disable the microphone. Simply toggle this off to prevent the website from accessing your microphone. This will ensure that your privacy is protected while using the Twitter website on your XPC. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can easily prevent microphone access on your XPC when using the Twitter website with the new update. Remember to always stay vigilant about your privacy and take the necessary steps to protect your personal information. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.